Okay, welcome back guys. As I promised, this is going to look a lot different. This is LDM. You notice it says Debian 8 here. And we are ready to log in to a GUI for the first time since we started this installation process. I'm going to show you something that's going to freak you out. Let that install. Okay. Now I should look at this over here. I'm going to run htop. That's on my host. Oops. Okay, gotta reestablish our connection. See, even Linux gurus make mistakes. And run htop. There we go. 1 gig of RAM. This whole desktop environment is only using 182 megs. That's it. Actually, by contrast, let me show you. I'm gonna put that down there. I'm gonna open up another terminal. I'm gonna do htop on my host. I'm using 3 gigs of RAM. 1 gig is reserved for the virtual machine. Notice I got 24 gigs, so I got plenty of room. It's an 8-core processor. Actually, it's a dual core with 4 threads per core. But anyway, as you can tell, I'm using 3 gigs on KDE, 2 gigs if I were to shut this virtual machine down, versus what's on the virtual machine at 181 megs. So if you got an old machine, or if you just don't like using a lot of resources or whatever, this is really the way to go right here. Alright, so what we're going to do is, now we got that over here, we're going to start installing some programs. Remember, I already installed Iceweasel. Alright, we're just going to go straight to google.com/Chrome. Okay, we're going to go ahead and download this. We're going to do a 64-bit Debian package. We're going to save the file. And of course, nice fast internet connection. Really doesn't cause any problems at all. Okay. We'll go back over here to this window. We're going to minimize that for a second. I really like using the command line. Okay. So we do an ls. All downloads go into the download directory, and there is your Google Chrome. The quickest way to install this is a sudo dpackage -i Google. Now, this is going to fail. The reason why it's going to fail is because it does not install dependencies. So what we're going to do is we're going to allow it to fail, and I'll show you how to fix it. Alright, see, error was encountered while processing Google Chrome stable. The way to fix this is sudo apt-get -f for force install. Now what that's going to do is it's going to go through, it's going to find all of Google's dependencies, and we're going to install them, and it's going to also install Chrome. Simple as that. Okay, we're going to bring our Debian back up. We can close this window. If you want, you can install Firefox. You don't have to. But up here at Internet, notice now we have our Google Chrome. Just like that. I'm not going to log in with my Chrome account or anything like that. I just wanted to show you, but now we have Google Chrome for a browser. Alright, so from here what we're going to do is exit. That closes our connection to our virtual machine. I'm going to close this window. And I'm going to go ahead and break the video right here, and I will see you in the next video.